Sahih Al-Bukhari 3236, narrated Samura radiyallahu ta'ala anha. The Prophet sallallaho alaihi wasallam said, "Last night I saw in a dream two men coming to me. One of them said, 'The person who kindles the fire is Malik, the gatekeeper of the hellfire, and I am Jibril, and this is Mikael.'" Sahih Al-Bukhari 3237, narrated Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anha. Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "If a husband calls his wife to his bed, i.e. to have sexual relation, and she refuses and causes him to sleep in anger, the angels will curse her till morning." Sahih Al-Bukhari 3238, narrated Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu ta'ala anhuma, that he heard the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam saying, "The divine inspiration was delayed for a short period, but suddenly, as I was walking, I heard a voice in the sky, and when I looked up towards the sky, to my surprise, I saw the angel who had come to me in the Hira cave, and he was sitting on a chair in between the sky and the earth. I was so frightened by him that I fell on the ground and came to my family and said to them, 'Cover me with a blanket, cover me.' Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent the revelation, 'O you wrapped up in a blanket, arise and warn, and your Lord magnify, and keep pure your garments, and desert the idols.' 74.1-5. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3239, narrated Ibn Abbas radiyallahu ta'ala anhuma. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "On the night of my ascent to the heaven, I saw Moses, who was a tall, brown, curly-haired man, as if he was one of the men of Shanawa tribe, and I saw Jesus, a man of medium height and moderate complexion, inclined to the red and white color and of lank hair. I also saw Malik, the gatekeeper of the hellfire, and Ad-Dajjal, amongst the signs which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala showed me, in doubt of meeting him. When you meet Moses during the night of Miraj over the heavens." 32.23, narrated Anas radiyallahu ta'ala anha and Abu Bakr radiyallahu ta'ala anha. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, "The angel will guard Medina from Ad-Dajjal, who will not be able to enter the city of Medina." Sahih Al-Bukhari 3240, narrated Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhuma. Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, "When any one of you dies, he will be shown his destination both in the morning and in the evening, and if he belongs to the people of paradise, he will be shown his place in paradise, and if he is from the people of hell, he will be shown his place in hell." Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.